Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. General knowledge questions from all PPSC past papers of 2020 and 21. This is video number 1, questions starting from 1 to 100, and this series will continue afterwards, inshallah. Let's start. The Shandur Pass connects Chitral with the Gilgit. Karakoram Highway between Pak and China was completed in 1978. What is the minimum age of senator under 1973 constitution? That is 30 years. Tomb of Khwaja Farid is in Kot Mittan. Naga Parbat is the highest peak of Himalaya. River Kabul joins Indus River near Attock. The chairman of National Economic Council is Prime Minister, who was the first Muslim governor of Punjab, Sardar Abdul Rab Nishtar. Objective resolution was presented in the Constituent Assembly on 7th March 1949. Term of the Office of Election Commissioner of Pakistan 5 years. The only Vice President of Pakistan was Noorul Amin. On the advice of Prime Minister and Chief Minister, President and Governor are bound to dissolve the assemblies within 48 hours. The only Muslim woman who attended Round Table Conference was Begum Jahan Ara Shahnawaz. The British sold the Kashmir to Gulab Singh Dogra under the Treaty of Amritsar. Dr. Abdul Salam, first Nobel Prize recipient of Pakistan, got his PhD degree from which university? University of Cambridge. Haba Khatun is famous poetess of which language? Kashmiri language. The Treaty of Versailles settles peace in Europe. IMF was created after the Bretton Woods Conference. China have claim on part of Indian province Arunachal Pradesh. Renowned Urdu writer Mushtaq Ahmed Yusufi by profession was a banker. Lavari Pass connects Dir with Chitral. The title of Ambassador of Hindu-Muslim Unity was given to Qaid-e-Azam by Sarojini Naidu. The political term Shadow Cabinet stands for a group of specialized critics in the official opposition party. Dr. Rutfau, the Mother Teresa of Pakistan, campaigned against which disease? Leprosy. The most benefited sector of Pakistan because of GSP plus status is textile and garments. UN General Assembly has declared the decade 2021 to 30 as the decade of ecosystem restoration. The Quaid-e-Azam resigned from the membership of Imperial Legislative Council on account of Rowlatt Act. Wealth of Nations was written by Adam Smith. Statue of Liberty was given to USA by France. Watergate scandal was related to spying. The Article 3 of Sustainable Development Goals of United Nations relates to health. Deal of century presented by US President Donald Trump related to Palestine issue. The lengthiest written constitution of the world is Indian Constitution. The word Rex stands for the king. Ho Chi Minh was leader of Vietnam. Continental shelf limit of Pakistan is 350 nautical miles. Soviet Union was replaced by Russian Federation in December 1991. Settlement of boundary dispute and signing of boundary agreement with China was finalized by the diplomat Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Kyoto Protocol came into force in 2005. Pakistan installed first nuclear power station in Karachi with cooperation of Canada. India represents what percent of South Asia population? 70%. When was Sui gas first discovered in Pakistan? 1952. Oceans cover how much of Earth's surface? 71%. How many members are there in Security Council? 15. The Quran and Sunnah was declared the supreme law of Pakistan under Amendment 9th. Kapas Ka Phool is written by Ahmed Nadeem Qasmi. Hugo Chavez was leader of Venezuela. The Bolshevik Revolution took place in 1917. Jahangir Khan won squash championship for 10 times in British Open. In 2018, German Chancellor Angela Merkel was sworn in for 4th time. The World Water Day is celebrated every year on March 22. India's current president is Ram Nath Kovind. Pakistan's first ambassador to US was Abdul Hassan Asfahani. Jabir bin Hayyan is famous for his work on chemistry. The Pakistani scientist who worked under Einstein was Mr. Muhammad Riazuddin Siddiqui. SEPTA is a trade agreement by SAARC nations. The brightest planet in the solar system is Venus. Total length of coastline of Pakistan is 1046 km. Dome of Rock is located in Jerusalem. How many countries are members of SARC? 8. How many official wording languages are recognized by United Nations Organization? That is 6. The second largest desert of the world is Arabian Desert. The country having no boundary with Syria is Iran. Sindh was separated from Bombay in 1935. Largest earth-filled dam of the world is Tarbela Dam. Vasco da Gama was native of Portugal. Arab Spring movement in Middle East started from which country? Tunis. Depletion of ozone layer is caused due to freons. Deforestation at large scale can be observed at Amazon forest, which can be recycled many times. Aluminium. Blank DVDs on which data can be erased and rewritten are identified as DVD plus or W. Who gave the idea of combining the internet with hypertext? Tim Berners-Lee. The first mechanical calculating machine was invented by Blaise Pascal. There are two different ways to insert content from one application into another: embedding and linking. What is the name of web page address? URL. The function is a dash which can calculate the values given in a specific order. Predefined formula. Average age of A and B is 30 years, that of B and C is 32 years, and average age of C and A is 34. So age of C is 36 years. Wakhan corridor is located to the dash of Pakistan, north. The study of interactions among organisms and their environment is ecology. Operation Zarbe underwent in the farmer Fata. Azb was the name of sword of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. After US, the largest number of Nobel laureates are from United Kingdom. The scale of standard deviation is variance. Consider the word segregation. Choose the word with opposite meaning. Integration. In an examination, 1100 boys and 900 girls appeared. 50% of the boys and 40% of girls passed. The fail percentage is 54.5%. Complete the sequence. 6, 11, 27 and the blank is 18. Timbuktu is the famous city of Mali. Three Gorges Dam is located in China. Approximately what fraction of the human genome encodes proteins? 2%. In the plant cells, which reactions occurs in the stroma of the chloroplast? Calvin cycle. Stimulus intensity is detected in brain by number of action potentials per second. Cirrhosis is a disease that affects organ liver. According to science, the earth is dash years old, 4.5 billion. Dash makes up to 14 to 17% of the body skeleton. Phosphorus. The vitamin that controls the browning in fruits by the help of enzyme is vitamin C. The energy value of fats and oils is dash times more than carbohydrates and proteins, 2.25 times. The milk needs to be heated for complete pasteurization at 161 Fahrenheit for dash seconds, 15 seconds. Vitamin that is produced by body and is not found in fruits and vegetables. Vitamin B12. Coniferous forests have low biodiversity than tundra. Rocks that contain fossils are sedimentary rocks, and study of life in outer space is known as exobiology. Now watch the next video in the playlist. General questions with answers from 101 to 200 PPSC General Knowledge Preparation Series. Thank you.